How are you? Hi, you called?
No, you gotta see. I don't know.
I did.
Okay, what happened?
I was coming. There was an old man with a car that was me.
Okay.
And so the lady didn't give him a chance. So I was telling him, go ahead, go ahead. I told him, right? I didn't see this gentleman crossing this. And I was telling the old man in front of me, go. So I looked this way. This gentleman steps in front of my car. I didn't see him. I'm
So you're the
sorry.
driver?
But I was going
Okay.
2 miles an hour.
Okay.
Oh, the police told me not to move it. I said, ma'am, you're in the middle of traffic. You can move your
Did
vehicle.
anybody see him?
Was
Was he just crossing?
He was crossing and had the right of way.
Yeah.
I turned around and all I saw was his hand on the hood of her car. So I did not see anything. I had been up at the front doors.
Like I hit him real hard. I was going 2 miles, not been 2 miles an hour. We were like in dead stop traffic. They were telling the old man go. So I looked away. So he goes, oh, you should have been paying attention. I was. I just was telling the old man.
They couldn't have been going very fast.
You weren't looking. I was.
Okay.
The old man was crossing in front of me. So I was saying, go, go. Go ahead, go ahead. I was giving him a chance. So I'm sorry that at that moment I didn't see him step in front of my car. You know, I stood on purpose because I wasn't paying attention.
The people crossing in here, they have the right of way.
All right.
I know, I told him I'm sorry. I know pedestrians have the right of way. I know that.
All right,
I
man.
didn't
Do you have your
mean
ID
to.
with you?
And I didn't mean to.
Okay.
I was just helping the old man.
I understand.
Make sure you get the fire department's run number.
I was speeding on it there. I was going like 2 miles an hour, but we want the cops. I called 911. I jumped out of the car.
So sorry.
I'm gonna copy of this.
When you said you're gonna get a lawyer, if we request it, we will get it to you.
I got the call information.
Hello, sir.
Scary.
I'm sure.
What she want me to go over?
I need, yeah.
If I would not put my hand on the hood.
Once you're done with this, I want you to tell me everything.
Okay.
Okay.
I was scared for this thing. I just had a knee replacement in May on this.
I see that. So you ended up getting hit on this
Yeah,
side.
but I was crossing my fin and this thing.
Okay.
That's the address number, okay?
Okay. That was scary.
Again, the police will request the video from us,
Okay.
and then your lawyer can get it from them.
Thank you.
All right, sir. Can you tell us what happened?
Yeah, I was walking out, carrying my bag of groceries,
Okay.
and it was.
You were on the scooter, obviously.
No, I was walking.
You were walking.
Yeah, she brought me the scooter so I could sit down after the accident.
Okay.
I was walking, I had the right of way, and there was cars here lined up ready to go. There was people crossing, and as I went in front of her car, she went forward. She wasn't, from what she's telling me, wasn't paying no attention at all. She was looking the other way. I don't know what she was looking at. And when she went forward, she hit me here sideways. And when she went forward, I said, stop. And I put my hand on the hood.
Okay.
And when I put my hand on the hood, I'm looking at her and say, stop. And she she went forward with me. I almost felt, she went, I would say it happened within seconds. I think maybe about 10 seconds.
10 seconds
Yeah.
for her to stop.
Yeah, because she was going forward, and I put my hand on the hood. And I literally thought I was going to fall down with my bag of groceries. She was going to run me over. But when I put my hand on the hood, I was saying, stop. That's when she noticed, oh my God, I'm so sorry. She wasn't paying attention. So,
Okay.
Did she actually hit you, or did she just kind of push you? There's a difference.
Yeah, like.
the car went forward.
Okay.
And then I kind of,
All right. So this is you.
Yeah.
This is the car. Did it hit you or did it?
Then it went
Push you.
It went,
Push you.
yeah, push me. Yeah, so I was walking in front of her. She pushed me.
and I'll be 10-7.
Okay.
There wasn't not enough space for her to hit me. She pushed me and I was walking in front of her car.
I understand.
The crosswalk, trying to get to my car. And she wasn't paying attention. She went forward.
Okay.
Didn't notice I was walking in front of the car. But what she told me, she wasn't paying attention.
Okay. And what are your injuries?
But
They just checked you out, right?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So I really got scared. I thought I was gonna, this was gonna fall down with my bag of groceries. I was worried about this bag. Right. The needy place.
But luckily nothing happened to you.
No. Because I was
Okay.
holding my bag of groceries.
Okay.
And walking with this arm, holding the groceries. That's how I was able to.
All right. Do you have your ID with you, sir?
Yes.
Just to reiterate, because we're gonna go watch the video, okay? She actually made contact with you other than you putting her hand on the hood.
Yes. Okay. She made contact with
It's
me.
not an accident. She just got close to you and you just said hey and you slapped her hand on the hood.
She made contact with me, so I had to put my hand on the hood for her to stop going forward. That would have not stopped her, she would have ran me over.
All right. We're gonna go take a look at the video.
Good address.
Is the address current on this?
No.
No, it's not. Okay.
No.
What's your current address?
We'll head back with you in just a minute. Is there a clear video?
I don't know, I haven't looked yet. We should, because it's right here.
All right. Just give me 1 second. We're gonna go take a look at the video. And we'll be back.
All right. Want to do the video?
Yes.
I'm going to go do the video. So if you need anybody else.
Seems secure.
They're advising ORMC 1414 Fuel.
Right, yeah. The infant's not going to be here, but I can check to adult.
And that guy came up literally to the side of her car
10-4.
at the last second as she was going.
India 23, can you be 51-2 when you call them to see if they're over there?
Mm-hmm.
10-4, 51.
Barely moved. You so extra.
He said that the way he made it seemed like he was being dragged by the car.
Speed it up a little bit.
Okay.
They're advising ORMC 1414 Fuel.
Right, yeah. The infant's not going to be here, but I can check to adult.
And that guy came up literally to the side of her car
10-4.
at the last second as she was going.
India 23, can you be 51-2 when you call them to see if they're over there?
Mm-hmm.
10-4, 51.
Barely moved. You so extra.
He said that the way he made it seemed like he was being dragged by the car.
Speed it up a little bit.
Okay. Here, step up on the curb. We just so you're more safe off the. I get paid if I get hit by a car. You don't get paid.
All right, man. Here's your driver's license back, and I got your insurance. It's all in here. Okay, so here's that. All right, man. This is gonna be a copy of the case number. Basically, that's where your report's gonna be. You're not at fault for this, okay? So
Headquarters, any Spanish-speaking units that can be
because it's not your
51-2
fault
when
that
they
he
go?
came at you.
Cameras.
Cameras right here. We reviewed.
We know. We
No,
watched.
it's okay.
I told him I didn't hit him. He was nasty.
No, it's not that you didn't hit him.
I
It's that
hit him. I know what he did because I came out and I saw what he did.
Headquarters to Kilo
You
23.
bumped him, but it was his fault.
right, exactly. So what ends up happening is if I go right here and I go straight to this vehicle and then I cut and go right in front of it to use the crosswalk, I'm at fault.
I was telling the old man.
Does that make sense?
You're good.
So you're fine, okay? So nothing's gonna come up about this. We're still gonna do a report because if he wants to take this to court, we're gonna have the video surveillance and we're gonna have a report there showing what happened based on what we witnessed from the security footage.
We gotta do our part, okay? But they have very good video, okay? And we saw what happened, and you're fine. We saw you let the other person in front of you go, but he did cross, but he crossed right next to your
I
car.
know, he said you weren't paying
Kilo
attention.
5298 Alpha.
I
Here you
was
go,
just turn my head to let the old man go by and I was letting him go.
You're fine.
You're fine.
Okay?
Here you
Thank
go.
you.
That's for you. Okay.
Let your insurance company know, though, because
Just in case.
I'm not going to lie. He's probably going to try to take legal action.
He was looking at me.
But he's going to try to take legal action, more than likely to try to sue. That's why you have insurance, but you're not found at fault. We're going to put very good notes in there saying what we observed, and we have a copy of the video for evidence, okay?
I was going to the bank to take money to pay my daughter's rent. I was moving her. Look what I looked at.
Headquarters to any unit in the
Sorry,
Conway area that could be
I know,
51 for Spanish.
but you're
All
not,
right,
you're
ma'am.
not found at fault,
Yeah,
okay?
you're free to go.
Thank
Just
you.
don't interact with them. Don't
Yeah,
make
don't say
any contact with them. Get in your car.
I said, so sorry, can I call an ambulance? Because I was so scared. I've never had to do my part in my life.
So you're good. He's gonna find out what's gonna happen. He's
Yeah,
gonna get,
so
he's
we
gonna
want
get a ticket.
we want to make sure that you're gone before we start talking to him because he's not gonna be happy.
Kilo 23 X-ray,
So,
Thank you.
all right.
All right, dude. You're better, okay? Here you go. You're found at fault. I'll just go up to him. Yeah, do whatever. Say hey. I watched the video.
Thank you. And right here, it's going to be a copy of the report that we're going to do.
Okay.
All right. That's going to have the case number right there. We did have a chance to review the video.
Okay.
Based on the video, we do find you at fault for this. Okay. When you go out on the parking lot, you caught across the crosswalk, but you did so right before the vehicle, and then you caught right in front of it. So she wasn't able to see it. That's actually a pedestrian violation. Okay? So we are going to give you a ticket for
Crystal
that.
clear on the video. They have cameras at every angle.
Right.
She's good. She let the person in the crosswalk ahead of her go. You were not in the crosswalk. You came up to the side of her car at her wheel well. You were like at her car and then just cut in front of her. There's no way she would have saw you.
But she wasn't paying attention when
It
I
doesn't
went in front
matter.
of the car.
You were not in the crosswalk. You were at her side and then you just cut in front of her. Like I said, it's crystal on that video.
Right.
It shows you, had you just waited an extra second or even taken like 5 steps forward to go in front of her.
I mean, even if you would have gone behind her, you would have been okay. Unfortunately, because you caught right at the middle of her vehicle,
Right.
I wouldn't have been able to see you. So you do have to take care of it within 30 days. It is a $62.50 ticket, okay?
It's what?
$62.50.
Okay.
It's just a pedestrian violation,
Okay.
okay? The instructions
I
are
can
in
do
the
this
back.
online?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can do it online, you can do it over the phone, sir. You can go in person.
Okay.
It's up to you.
Okay.
If you fight it, which is fine, just understand we will come and we will have the video.
Got it.
So and they will go off of the video.
Okay. Well, thank you for coming out.
All right. You have a great day, sir.
Okay. Again, watch out. You cross here, but you can't be right on the wheel well of her car and then just right.
Well, most importantly, no one got hurt, so
Pretty scary though.
I'm sure it is, but you have to be a little more careful when, even though it's a crosswalk, you still have to be careful when you cross it, right? Okay? Alrighty.
Thank you.
You guys anything?
You guys good?
Yeah.
No.
We're good? Yeah, we're all set. Yeah.
Good?
Alright.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate your
Yeah.
response.
Our pleasure.
And by the by, look what they just put up in my parking lot for y'all.
Is that one of those things? Oh, a parking spot. Yeah, I come here all the time.
They just put it in today. I signed the paperwork.
And everybody keeps on parking in there. Customers in there.
Well, the lights aren't on yet. Eventually they'll figure it out.